Hello, viewers. My name is Zaid Hashmi, and I'm a registered trademark agent. And the motive for creating this channel is when I was preparing for my trademark agent exam, I faced a lot of difficulty. There was hardly anything available on YouTube, and reliable content was really hard to find. Now that I've cleared the exam and I became a trademark agent, I don't want other students to go through the same struggle, especially those who don't have the financial resources for expensive coaching institutes. So my motive is to help students learn everything about trademarks freely and clearly right here on YouTube. So in my first video, I want to discuss about the pattern and syllabus of trademark agent exam. So the trademark agent exam is conducted in three phases: paper 1, paper 2, and Viva. Paper 1 and paper 2 are held on the same day, and after clearing both paper 1 and paper 2, you are being called for Viva. Before 2023, the pattern of the trademark agent exam was entirely different. Even 2024-23 exam was different from 2025, but still they were on the same page. So the syllabus comprises of the Trademarks Act 1999, the Trademark Rules 2017, the Geographical Indication of Goods Act 1999, the Geographical Indication of Goods Rules 2002, IP jurisprudence, that is concepts, evolution, and reasoning behind IP protection, Madrid Protocol, TRIPS Agreement, and WIPO treaties. So the basic question arising in the mind of students is what is the difference between the Trademarks Act and the trademark rules? So the act tells us about what is to be done, and the rules tells us about how it is to be done. It tells us the process, like this and this course of action has to be followed to achieve this result. As we move on, now let's discuss about the paper one. So the paper one is of objective type, like it is of 100 marks, and the duration for doing all these questions is of 2 hours. Mostly it's MCQ based, like you have to choose the correct option after the four, but you can't just say that it is a hard and fast rule. You can even be asked like match the following or fill in the blank with the correct option. So there's no hard and fast rule. Like in 2023 and 24, there were 50 MCQs of 2 marks each, but in 2025, there were 100 MCQs of 1 mark each. This happened because the GI was incorporated in the trademarks agent exam. The good part of this objective type paper one is that there's no negative marking. Like you won't be deductive, your marks won't get deduct if you answer any question wrongly. So this is good according to me. The paper is of descriptive type. Like there will be situation based questions. Here, you have to apply the knowledge you will gain after reading all the trademark acts, rules, and everything. Here, you have to behave like you are already a trademark agent, and what will you do in this and this situation? What remedy you will provide? What course of action you will follow? So you will be given question based on drafting of examination report, user affidavit, notice of opposition, counter statement, and other related aspects. So the marks distribution of 2023 and 2024 pattern was different from 2025 pattern. So you can't say that this year two will be same as 2025. No, you can't say that because the focus was more on the writing part in part A of 2025. So you just can't say that this year too they will ask you more questions of 5 marks each. It's not sure. It totally depends on the Indian Patent Office. So what you have to study for the exam? Again, the same Trademark Acts rules, GI Act rules, Madrid Protocol, TRIPS Agreement, and WIPO treaties. After clearing all the phases, you just can't throw your admit card. You have to keep your admit card for securing your trademark agent's certificate. Like you have to submit it again, and then only you will be getting your final registration of trademark agent. So this is for today. Now let's meet in the next video where we'll start our introduction class of trademark. Okay, thank you.